Hello guys, 𝗠𝗜𝗦𝗬𝗜𝗖𝗑 from Mission Ceviche, and I'm really excited because today I have the pleasure and the honor to have Chef Steve in the house. Steve got it?
Yes, that is
there we go. Thank you for coming. We are, Chef, where are you from?
Well, we're from the restaurant Rosatoro.
Rosatoro.
We are located in Astoria, Queens, and we are also a Peruvian restaurant.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So this is caught my attention. Actually, I went last week to your restaurant, guys, and the food, it was amazing. This is what it is. You know, we are doing a new Peruvian cuisine. I went to your restaurant. The techniques are there. So we're gonna cook today. Each chef is gonna make his new Peruvian plate. Okay. And I'm gonna start today, guys, making a tartar, hamachi tartar, which I have a beautiful piece of hamachi over here. This is about 3 to 4 ounces piece of hamachi.
Nice.
You know, it's a beautiful Japanese fish, fatty, and it's perfect for what we wanna do today, which is a crudo, which is a tartar. So once again, we have the hamachi, chef. Very simple. We're just gonna put the hamachi in the bowl. Okay, and then of course we're gonna work with ají limo. There we go. This is where Peruvian come. Beautiful ají limo, fresh. I'm gonna put a lot of spicy. I'm gonna put a little bit of rocoto too. Okay, of course we're gonna put a little bit of sea salt, and then I'm gonna use this white part of the scallion, and I'm just gonna cut it very thin. I want people to get the bite and, you know, get that little explosion of the scallion.
Yes.
Just a little bit of ponzu, which is this soy sauce, and basically it's lime, cilantro, and ají limo one more time. Okay. Just a little bit. We don't want more. And this is very simple. Now we're gonna start plating. I have over here, chef, sushi rice.
Okay.
Simple sushi rice, which is gonna be, this is very simple dish. I mean, easy to make at home. I want to try. It's gonna be spicy. So we went to the plate. This is a perfect appetizer. We're gonna start with this. I'm gonna take it out. I got this, let's call it like Nikkei aioli.
Okay.
Which basically I have the tiger milk. I use a little bit of yuzu and mayo. So we do this like acevichada. In Peru you got this acevichado roll, very traditional, which is leche de tigre with aioli. Okay. And so this is like Nikkei, pretty much the same, but with more flavors, Japanese.
Sure.
Now a little bit on top. Okay, I'm gonna put also a little bit here. Need to give it a little bit of freshness to the tartar. We're gonna use Japanese cucumber.
Just straight raw?
Yeah, just straight up. I put a little bit of salt on the end, a little bit of garashi. Okay, we have the tartar here. Like I said, we're gonna put a little bit of garashi on top. And here we have this ponzu gel, just to garnish it and also become this top part of the plate like a salad, like a little salad.
And really accentuate the ponzu side of the flavor profile.
Finish with a little bit of sea salt on top and a little bit of mint oil to give the flavor on top. This is what it is, chef.
That's beautiful.
This is actually one of the superstar of the house.
Okay.
You know, like I said, we are
super popular.
Ceviche, and it's new. We have in the menu, we have Ceviche Classic, we got the mixo, but also we have this type of tartar. I have a crab cake.
I'm gonna take my big spoon.
Please.
I'm gonna take a big bite.
Oh, wait, hold on, chef. Hold on.
Oh, that's right.
Lamb kosho. This is amazing present from the chef today. So, chef, tell me what is this about?
So kosho is a super traditional Japanese flavor bomb, and it's essentially taking. Most people normally know it as yuzu kosho, which is a form of citrus, but it's a fermented citrus peel. And in this case, because in a Peruvian restaurant you're using a lot of limes for juice, why not also make use of the peel? So before we juice a case of limes, we zest off all of the lime zest, and you essentially work it over with a knife a lot, and then add a paste of ají limo chili to make it Peruvian, garlic and salt. And you just let it sit in the walk-in for a week, and then you have this.
And you guys have no idea the flavor. This is amazing.
It's a very strong flavor.
Because you actually taking advantage of the skin, because normally we throw it out, you're taking this amazing product. So it's very Peruvian. It's lime, the limo, the salt, and it's fermented.
And in a way, it couldn't even be more Nikkei because it's a Japanese style.
Absolutely. So I just want to sprinkle a little bit on the top.
A little goes a long way.
Just to give it that explosion of flavor. Thank you, Chef. But now, yes, let's enjoy.
Let's go for it. It's got a real zing when you bite it. And you'll get it now at the end.
I mean, what do you think, Chef?
It's delicious.
Really good. And just on the end, that explosion of acidity of the kosher is amazing, guys.
That's beautiful.
All right. Chef, thank you very much for coming. It's a pleasure to share this cuisine with you. And thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give a like, share, or just give it a comment.